Assalamu alaikum friends, in this video I will show you project new. Yes, it's okay, no need to be new. This will be delete this program, and I will make that one new program. This counter I will leave, and also only with changes made at here, because this command I need now. In previous lecture we discussed about this command, comparator command equal, and this not equal. This is the not equal command. This is not equal. In this command, in this lesson, we will use that greater than command, greater than command, greater or equal, and that greater or less, and greater than, and greater, less, and less than. This range we will all discuss in this lesson. Here I use my first input I 0.0. When I make this on, and I will use it here. Another command, we will delete this all data. We will new make, no problem. Here I use, this one is equal, in this lecture we have to use greater than, and here we will use that less than, and here I use coil for Q0.1, and here I take one next command. This is greater than, this is less than, and this is only greater than. Only greater than. In all we will discuss in sorry, it's late. Here I use Q 0.2, sorry, Q 0.2, use this greater than, and this This is less than. Q0.3. And here I data register I will give MW0 this all data. I will give him int MW0. This I give 1 MW0 so I give 1 or no problem, this I can give LW0 and also here I have to tell int data and I will put 4, no problem. This also I put 4 for learning purpose, because 1 if after you not understand. And this MW0 I will give increment at my this counter. And here I give one I0.1 for increment, and this I will leave no need. And this program I will download to the PLC. And I make it simulation on. This data I put in decimal. This also I put data in decimal. This also data tag. I put this tag in decimal. This tag also I put in decimal, because you can understand after. See, now when we giving that I0.0 is my first bit on, that MW0 and that command is greater than, when like to run this command when this data registers is equal with greater than 4, when this data register is greater than 4, this coil will be run. And when this coil is Y on, because of this we define that less than 4, if this less than 4, our Q0.1 will be on. And this what we put, when this data register is greater than 4, this Q0.2 will be on. And this data register we put less than 4, Q0.3 will be on. So this is on. If we first we check this one, this 0 I0.1 we have to be giving signal. Sorry, here we count has to be defined first. This will make it little wrong, because if not show the we give the here counts, I will give it here 6, no problem. And also one more have mistake, I0.1 we will put for reset condition. Here also we use I0.0, and here we I0.1 for counting, and reset for we have to put I0.2. Now our program will be work properly. Make it simulation on, and first I give the signal. Now it's already 0. See, this we start from first I0.0. when I give the signal, this is at my data register. When I make it increment at this counter, here this will be count 1 2 3 4 up to 6 counts. Okay, and here we put this, we define data register. This command we define here to when is greater than 4, this have to be run, and this we put command put less than yani 4, this have to be on. Now it's less than 4. If it's here coming 1 2, also it will be not on, 2 also not on, 3 not on. When it's coming 4, and that Q0.0 will be on and Q0.1 will be off. See, this is now equal 4, and when here is count coming less than 4, this will be run, but this is greater than 4, this have to be run. Once I give this signal to reset all, see, now we discuss at this two commands. These two commands. See, now this we used for command less than 4. If it's less than 4, that will be Q0.3 will be on F, and if this command is greater than 4, this Q0.2 will be on. I will make it increment. Now see, as it goes less than 4, that will be stop, and as it increases greater than 4, that Q0.2 will be on. Because of why these commands used in the programs, some where if you use in counting for purpose of filling or something, packing or whatever you needs. Some packets are you put it count that when 20 packets are completed, after this solenoid valves have to be run, or you have to, if filling any purpose, have you be 6 punches if you make, after this have to be closed. How much counts if you need to fix these commands, that purpose can be used. And all this increments also you can with counting purpose also, any counter used for increments. Inshallah will be next in lectures. We will discuss about more commands used in TIA portal. In this video only we have a lecture for this less than command, greater than command, and less or equal or greater or equal. And if you not understand, I hope you understand about these commands, how to use. If you have any question or you not understand anything, you can send me message in comment section or email me. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.